This is an interesting plant. It's a verbena. This is Verbena urticifolia. It's white vervain. Get little tiny white flowers. Unfortunately, it just rained, so most of them aren't open. But I'm going to get a close-up of it. You can see all those things down the stem are seeds. So it's a perennial. It reseeds all around. I think it's kind of neat. I like it. Really nice foliage. I don't know if you can see the foliage in there. It doesn't get too big. 4 feet, 5 feet. I've seen some bigger, but most of them don't get that big. It has a very airy look to it. It's nice for the garden. Even though they reseed all over, they're easy to control. You pull out the seedlings. The foliage is interesting. It looks like a verbena foliage. And believe it or not, this plant has a lot of benefits to the garden. There are moths that use this as a host plant. So therefore you get caterpillars, and caterpillars, you get birds that feed their babies. I need thousands of caterpillars to raise one nest of babies. You hear me say that over and over. Lots of pollinators like it. There's lots of little bees on it, little sweat bees and other little bees. But there's also a lot of bumblebees go to it, you know. And then the seeds, those bigger seeds that you see, well, they're going to be food for the seed-eating birds in the fall. We get a lot of white-throated sparrows here in the fall, and juncos, white-crowned sparrows. So this is all food for them in the fall. And I don't think I mentioned it's deer and rabbit resistant. All of our verbenas are deer and rabbit resistant. So this is a good plant. You know, it's good for the native garden. Absolutely. I don't know. Did I mention the foliage turns this pretty gray color in the fall? It really contrasts nicely with the asters. You know, the purple and white asters that are blooming and the yellow goldenrods. Very pretty. So it's a nice plant, you know. Again, not spectacularly beautiful, but good. It's a good plant.